Oh, wow. Where do I start? Emma, tell me about yourself. I'm friendly, and I like helping people. Do you have housekeeping experience? A little, but I learn quickly. That's good. Can you make a bed? Yes, I can. And clean a bathroom? Yes, of course.
What if a guest needs help? I listen. And I help politely. Excellent.
Emma, we'd like to offer you the housekeeping job.
Really?
Yes, welcome to the team.
Thank you so much.
Emma, you have 3 rooms this morning. Which room first? Room 12, please. Okay, I'll start there. Has the guest checked out? Yes, the room is empty. Great, thank you. You're welcome. Housekeeping! The bed, the towels, and the bathroom. Okay, let's start. These are used. I need fresh ones. Linda, excuse me. Yes, Emma? I need more clean sheets, please. I'll bring some. Thank you. Here are the clean sheets. Perfect, thank you. Do you need anything else? No, I'm fine, thanks. Fresh sheets. Clean pillows. The bed is ready. The sink is clean. The mirror is clean. Fresh towels.
Excuse me, is the room ready?
Almost. 5 more minutes, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
Could I have 2 extra towels?
2 extra towels?
Yes, please.
Of course. Here are 2 clean towels.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Linda, there's a problem. What's wrong? The lamp isn't working. Okay, I'll report it. Thank you. Linda, I found a watch.
Good. Don't move it.
Should I report it?
Yes, please.
Is everything finished? Yes, the room is ready. Excellent work. Thank you. Room 12 is done. What's next? Room 14. I'm on my way. Housekeeping, may I clean your room? Could you come back later? Of course. What time? At 11, please. 11 o'clock? Yes, that's perfect. Okay, see you later. Thank you. Linda, the floor is wet. Thank you for telling me. Shall I clean it? Yes, please. Is the floor dry now? Yes, it's clean and dry. Great, thank you. No problem. Linda, I've finished my rooms. How did it go? Busy, but good. That's hotel life. I made beds, cleaned rooms, helped guests, and learned a lot. Could you work as a housekeeper? Tell me in the comments. And subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy for more easy English.